Hey there, and welcome to the ClarityScribe community. We're so thrilled you created your ClarityScribe account to save hours of manual copywriting and craft compelling messages that actually drive results. With ClarityScribe AI, say goodbye to staring at a blank page and hello to expertly crafted copy in minutes. Whether it's social media, email, ads, ClarityScribe has you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through giving you a tour inside ClarityScribe so you feel more comfortable and at home using the various tools and wizards inside the program to make sure that you're getting a 10x productivity on your time and your team's time. We'll cover all the tools, including the instant sales page wizard, podcast producer, and the customer favorite Genie Chat. So if you're already signed into your account, let's dive in. To get started, go ahead and click on Start for Free. This will open up a pop-up where we'll send you an email for you to get started. Once you have your email address completed, hit Continue. Then enter your first name, last name, and create a strong password for you to save and sign into your account. Then hit Continue. Now that you're signed in, let's take a tour of ClarityScribe. At the top left, you'll see a plus symbol that you can begin your first project, but there's one already created for you in order to begin. To select it, just click on it. For any specific project files that you may have, you can create a new folder as for one for your podcast versus ones for your YouTube channel versus landing pages. Once you create a new project, if you're done with it or you no longer need it, you can always drag it to the trash can here to remove it. At the very bottom, if you click on the gear wheel, it will pull up your account settings, your profile details, and a section where you can choose to add in a custom voice, which we'll get to later on. And then you can also enable dark mode. Underneath the workplace settings, if you come to usage, you can see what your actual usage has been for ClarityScribe to learn how many words you've created using the program. Over here in this column, you'll see the all tools. You can click on the wizards icon to see the available wizards currently, and then you can click on Genie Chat. If you ever want to maintain focus and collapse this side window panel, just click the three dots over here at the top left. Then to expand those options, click on the ClarityScribe icon. Over here, you'll see an array of tools that you can get started using, and you can select on whichever options you want to get started and begin using within ClarityScribe. Over here at the top right, you'll see settings options where you can choose a specific voice style depending on what you think your particular copy needs for the project that you're working on, and adjust your copy here in the main panel. For now, we'll leave this set to original. You can also edit the document name depending on the project that you're working on. Here we have the export icon where you can export any work that you're currently operating on. And this option is currently not available, but you can rewrite using any specific tones or anything like that. But you'll see as we go through this particular tutorial. To get started using any of the wizards, select the option that you would like to use and look for the prompt grayed out in the typable area. Then click the action button to actually enter the prompt. So to get started, let's try the breakthrough bullet writer. And based on the topic that we want ClarityScribe to create for us, let's type in an example. Once we click on create copy, we'll see the loading bar at the top, which will let us know how much longer it will take before ClarityScribe has finished giving us the examples. And already we can see the options that are available to us. If at any time you want to use or start working with some of the options that ClarityScribe has created for you, click on this icon here, and this will add it to your main copy page. And the more you click, the more it will continue to add on, beginning from the top. But if you want to start at the lower options, then go ahead and select for your cursor to be there, then click on the options and it will go underneath. Otherwise, it'll default to the top. Let's select an option that we may want to use. First, we'll see as we select this option, we can convert this text to a heading, a list format, or a quote, or we can go through a various array of different options. Also, once we have this area selected, we can come over here in order for us to enable the Genie to start giving us options that we can use to rewrite, shorten, or expand that options. And simply by clicking on them, it will give us the specific options that we may want. Now let's select the original voice style and we'll click the paste it into the copy. We can also change the voice style and tone by coming over here to select the specific person that we would like to use. Then when we reselect that area, it will redo it in the voice style of the person that we've selected. ClarityScribe is designed so that as you're working through your copy, you're actually building the copy that you plan to use. If you ever need to move a section up or down, you can click on the dots here, and you can click on the plus symbol if you need to change the specific type of heading and actually start building out landing pages, web copy, and emails, and on and on. As you continue to work through various sections of your specific copy, depending on what you're working on, you can continue to select various options and it will load up over here on the left-hand side, or you can go back and start using various areas of the program. Once you have something that you're ready to export, you can come over here, hit the export button, and this will produce an area for you to download those specific options on your computer or your selected drive. Now that you're all set up with your account, you've customized everything and optimized it just the way you like, let's go ahead and start diving into the Magic Headline Writer. This is one of the most powerful tools we have inside ClarityScribe. No matter what your product or service is about, this tool will start getting scroll stopping headlines so your audience can't ignore it. So let's dive into it in the next video.